Today's problem is evaluate expression. This is rated as easy. Let's see, asked at Yahoo, Google, Facebook. Problem description. Spoiler alert here, this problem uses a stack pattern. And if you're preparing for interviews, I put together a free PDF on the patterns that interviewers actually use. The link to that is in the video description. So let's take a look at the problem description here. Arithmetic expression given by a string array A of size n. Evaluate the value of an arithmetic expression in reverse Polish notation, RPN, also called postfix notation. Valid operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide. Each string may be an integer or an operator. So it's an array of, or the input is well, actually a list in this case, of strings, either in integers or operators. The string is going to be, the length of the string will be between 1 and 10 to the 5th, 100,000. Input format, we get array list A. Output, return the value of the expression. Okay. Let's see. Postfix notation. Yeah, so normally when we write mathematic equations, we write them as infix, meaning operand, operator, operand. And the operator is applied to the two operands on either side. Postfix notation is operator, operator, operand, and the operand, operand, operator, and the operator is applied to the previous two operands. And actually, it's easier. It's easier if you're writing a program to evaluate expressions. It's really easier to do it in postfix notation because it's perfectly suited to a stack. Now, infix notation, you're going to deal with parentheses, you're going to deal with operator precedence. Okay, operator precedence, yeah, and the parentheses, which may alter the operator precedence. So, let's take a look at these examples. We have in example 1, we have 2, 1 plus, meaning add 2 and 1, we get 3. So now we have two operands, 3 and 3, followed by a multiplication. And so the output is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. In this one, we have 3 operands to start with, 4, 13, 5. Divide. All right, so the divide is applied to the previous two operands. 13 divided by 5, integer. Division is 2, and then we have 4 and 2 and a plus. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, anything else here? Explanation. Okay. So let's look at the, we should probably walk through an example while we're doing this. Let's see, we're going to create a stack. Now, Java does have a stack class. It's considered kind of a legacy class, and we don't use it often. The data structure of choice is a Deque, a double-ended queue, which can be used as a stack. It has all the operations that are used with a stack, pop and push. And okay, so we'll create the stack and then iterate through the tokens. All right, if this string contains the token, in other words, if the token is an operator, we will pop two operands. Let's see. Apply the operator to the two operands. Put the result in result, and then push result on the stack. If token is an operand, then we will parse it to an integer, keeping in mind that the input is a list of strings. We will parse it to an int and push it on the stack. All right, and then at the end we'll just see what's on top of the stack and return it. All right, so let's go through this with let's see, let's do example 1. All right, so we've got the stack. We're into the for loop. First token is 2. It's not an operator, so we convert it to an int, push it on the stack, and back to the for loop. Next token is also not an operator. Convert it to an integer, push it on the stack, is 1. Next, so where are we here? We process this, 2, 1, next, plus. That is an operator. So we're going to pop 2 operands. Okay, hold on. All right, so we have a plus. Operand 2 will pop the 1. Operand 1 will pop the 2. Token equals plus. Yes, it does. So result equals operand 1 plus operand 2. That would be 3. And we popped these, so they are gone. Oh, wait, where is my toolbar? Okay, so we pop this, pop the 1, pop the 2, add them, and we get 3. And then on line 21, we push the result. That is a 3. Okay, next time through the loop. The token is not an operator. In fact, it is a 3, so that gets pushed. And next token is multiplication. So we pop the 3, we pop both 3s. They're an operand 2, operand 1, token equals multiplication. So result equals 3 times 3 is 9, and push it on the stack. All right. So pop, pop, and push a 9. That's it. We're out of the for loop, and we are at line 26, return stack peak, which is a 9. So that's it. I just need to recognize this as a stack pattern. Generally, when you're doing evaluation of arithmetic expressions, you will be using a stack. Next step is to run it and see if it works. Which it does. So thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, check the playlist on screen to keep leveling up. The reason most people fail coding interviews, is because they don't recognize patterns. I wrote up the 12 that occur over and over. Free PDF, link in the video description.